A lot of my paintings are built with multiple layers of drawings piled on top of one another. Some I pull back out, some I partially erase. I like to mix it all up. Music's so important in my process. It's really the key ingredient. It's what I use to inform the pace of the painting and the rhythm of the city. I aim to tie ends between extremely loose marks and much more formal brush strokes. And both are intentional and pertinent to the construction of each composition. Trying to create a union between the movement and sounds of the city and the paint on the canvas.